I made $11,432.27 in only 8 days. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did that so you can just copy me. So let me just go inside and show you exactly how I was able to do so in only 8 days. And today I'm going to go through my strategy and everything that I did to make that much money. Now, quick little disclaimer I just want to mention here first is that I didn't make this in 8 consecutive days. So although I did make this much money in only 8 days, it wasn't consecutively. This was all spread out and I made videos on each occasion showing exactly how much I made. So let me show you guys the secret blueprint where you can make this much money. And honestly, once you learn it, it's pretty much like printing money. So first I want to show you the videos where I documented how much money I made. So if we have a look over here, you've got the first video was where I made over $3,000 in 3 days of dropshipping. So that was the first video I documented on my YouTube channel. The second video was where I made $2,000 in only 48 hours through dropshipping. This was my second video that I documented on the channel. The next one where I made the most amount of money was $4,559.62 in only 48 hours of dropshipping. And my latest video, which I uploaded a few days ago, where I made $1,504 in dropshipping in only 24 hours. So again, I've done this on a few occasions. It does work. I have documented all of this on my YouTube channel. So after you've watched this video, you can check out these videos. Now, when it comes to dropshipping, one of the most, if not the most important thing is finding your winning product. It depends what type of dropshipping store you want to go for. I normally make a one product store. Now, I know a lot of people also make, several products in this store. That way they can test what products work, what products are going to be winning products. Like, look, I don't do that, right? I personally don't do that. I know a lot of people do that. And you can make a lot of money doing that. For sure, you can make a lot of money doing that. However, personally, I like to use one product stores. I'll explain why later on, but let me just go through first the winning products that I used in those videos. So the first video, it was this face track tripod. So you can put your phone on there and, there's a camera, I believe, on the tripod, and it basically tracks your face. It was a very good product. And I made $3,219 in 3 days just from this product alone. So again, it was a great product. It did work. The next one was this cloud pillow. And again, it's a very unusual product. It looks interesting. It looks very comfortable. And I made $2,149.57 in 2 days. So again, it's averaging around $1,000 a day. Not bad at all. In fact, this was very easy to market because, the product looks really good. The next one we've got is this cooling blanket, which, to be fair, I actually ended up buying one for myself. And obviously in summertime, it gets really hot. So to have a cooling blanket means that you stay cold. It basically keeps the blanket cold. And this one was my most successful store that I documented because it made me $4,559.62 in only 2 days. So this product was really, really good. Now the next product, which is my latest video, which I would recommend to check out after watching this video, was this breathing koala bear. And again, this is a very popular product. You might have seen it on TikTok and Instagram or anything like that. And with this product, I made $1,504 in only 1 day. So again, a great product. It did well. And yeah, all of these are winning products, right? All of these are winning products. The reason they are winning products because you can see how much money they've generated in such a little amount of time. Now in total, I made $11,432.27, which is fantastic, which is amazing. Now, how did I know they're winning products? Because I spent a lot of money on ads for all of these products, but I just knew they'll do well. So how did I find my winning products? I used ShopHunter. Now, ShopHunter is amazing, and it's the best way to find a winning product because this is essentially what made me over $11,000. So you're probably asking, what is ShopHunter? Now, imagine being able to go onto any store and find out how much they're making. That's exactly what ShopHunter allows you to do. It's an easy to use sales tracker that allows you to track sales on any Shopify store. Trust me, I've used so many different sales trackers in the past, but ShopHunter does it the best. Again, all the winning products I showed you that generated me over $11,000, they were all found through ShopHunter. So I'll show you an example of how it works. So I found this competitor's website and all I had to do was copy the URL of the website. I then went on to ShopHunter and pasted that link. And straight away after doing so, I was able to track all their sales. Now what's cool about this is that you can also track their Facebook ads. So if you click on ads here, you can see a chart of how many ads they are running, but that's not all. If we click here, this will then show us the individual ads that they are running for the store. So you can see what's working for them and what's not. Genuinely a game changer because you're getting all the exclusive secrets of these top dropshipping stores. And all you have to do is replicate what's working well. And a lot of people say, dropshipping saturated, it doesn't work anymore. This proves exactly why saturation is a good thing, because you can replicate the best dropshipping stores' tactics while staying clear of the dropshipping stores that aren't doing well. Now with ShopHunter, you can also go onto the Explore tab, and if we click here, you can also search products and it will find dropshipping stores selling that same product. You can then track that store to see how well the products are doing, or see that product on their store or AliExpress. You can also click here and find the top advertised products. So essentially this tool just makes dropshipping extremely easy. And to be honest, if you're struggling with dropshipping or you just haven't started yet, this tool is honestly a game changer, and I would recommend to start implementing this tool on your dropshipping journey. Now these are the prices for this tool if you want to take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out the annual plan, which is exactly what I'm on, because with the annual plan you also get 2 months free. You can easily make 5 to 6 figures using this tool. I mean, I have. And not only that, but because I've partnered up with ShopHunter, as a special offer for my viewers, you can get 25% off any of their plans by using the code ALIM25. So make sure you click my link in the description, go onto your chosen plan and sign up to ShopHunter. Again, if you use this tool correctly, you're definitely going to make some serious money. Okay, so now that you've signed up to ShopHunter and you found your winning product, what do you do next? Well, the next thing that you need to do is create your website. Now, creating a website is easy, but the design needs to be good. The reason is this is the last hurdle before you convert your customer. The website can't be cluttered, it can't be too complicated. It needs to be very simple, but at the same time, very aesthetically pleasing, so that when a customer goes onto your website, they decide to buy your product. So I'm gonna go over some website designs that you can use for your store. Now, this is one store that I've seen, and you can see the website design is quite good. You've got the product on the left. You've got the different sizes on the right. The website's colors aren't outrageous. It's quite simple. You've got the color that you can choose for the sandals. Overall, it looks like a very good website, and I would highly recommend to make a website very similar to this. This next website isn't as good, but it still works. It's very simple, more straight to the point. What I like about this website, and the reason I put this website on this presentation, is that if you can have a look over here, the reviews, it's got the reviews right underneath the images, which is a good touch. That will allow customers to see straight away that people like this product, and yeah, it's a good touch in my opinion. This next website is a website I created or I replicated. There was another website that had this website design, which I sort of replicated. And as you can see, this one's extremely good as well. You've got the product in the middle. You've got, different deals. This is interesting because this helped me convert as well, because a lot of people end up buying 2 or 3 because of the special offers that you add. This and this is probably the best website designs to use. This also works as well, but put more effort into designing if you're doing something like this. The only reason I put this again, because the reviews at the bottom I thought was a good touch. Now, after you've done your website, after you've created your website, the next thing you need to do is ads. Now, this is also extremely important. Ads are very, very important. You need the ads to be on point. You need to target your target audience. You need to choose the correct platform. A lot of people use TikTok, a lot of people use Facebook, but what you don't realize is some products actually do well on TikTok and some products do well on Facebook. So you need to find out through your demographics, who your target audience is, which platform to use, or you could even use both. When it comes to creating ads, you need to create videos around your product. Now, you can use a company called Ecom Adz. I've promoted them quite a lot in a lot of my videos. They're extremely good. I have put a link in the description if you want to sign up with them. Essentially what they do is create video ads for your products. The next option is you can make them yourself. Again, this is a good option if you're looking to do so by yourself. If you're just starting dropshipping and you don't have that much money you want to put in, you can definitely make the ads yourself. Obviously, they're not going to be as good as if Ecom Adz create it. However, you can make them yourself and you can make money by doing that as well. Now, when it comes to dropshipping, you need to have patience and you need to be persistent. With dropshipping, it's not going to happen overnight. I know, obviously, I'm able to make X amount of money, over 24 hours, 48 hours. But prior to that, obviously, I lost out on so much money. I learned a lot of things along the way as well. So, yeah, you need to have patience and persistence. You need to be prepared to lose money. Again, you're going to lose money, especially if you're learning. What will happen is you may lose money because you're going to obviously spend money through ShopHunter, maybe even Ecom Adz or, any other platforms, including Shopify. But you can gain so much money. So don't worry about the money that you're going to lose by paying for these subscriptions, because they're going to generate you money back. You need to have faith that if you do everything correctly, you are going to make that money back and you're going to make a lot more money back. You also need to be prepared to adjust ads when needed. A lot of people just put ads out there and they don't check on them. They just leave it as it is. Very bad idea, because if it's not working, then you're just basically losing more money. So you need to always be prepared to adjust ads, see the statistics of the ads. Is it working? Is it getting you sales? Is it not? What can you do to adjust it and change it, etc. That's why I always recommend to do different ad sets, so you know what ads are working. You also need to find what works for you. A lot of people do dropshipping very differently. Some people do it, like I mentioned earlier, some people do a multiple product store, whereas I only do a 1 product store. And Sometimes they can make a lot more money. Sometimes I can make a lot more money. The reason I personally believe a one product store is better because you can just focus on that store a lot more. And if you use ShopHunter and you find your winning product through ShopHunter, then there is no need to do a multiple product store. The reason a lot of people do multiple product store is because they're trying to find their winning product through that. So they test different products, and sometimes you just end up losing a lot more money doing that. Tools like ShopHunter have come in to make everything easy. So just find your winning product through that and then just create a whole store around it. Again, I'm proof. I made over $11,000 by doing that, and it's worked for me. So if you do it correctly, it's definitely going to work for you as well. And remember, you never lose, you just learn. So even if you do lose money, even if you lose time, even if you lose all the effort that you put in, you've not really lost anything. You've just learned. So nothing is a loss. If a dropshipping store didn't work, you didn't lose, you've just learned. It's experience under your belt. So next time you start dropshipping again, you know what to do and what not to do. And again, keep applying the methods in this video and you will be successful. A lot of people half-heartedly apply these methods and they don't work. So you need to follow exactly what I've said in this video. If you follow exactly what I've said in this video, you will make money. And the thing you need to understand with this is dropshipping is easy when you know what you're doing. So when you keep applying these methods, you'll make some money, you'll understand how it works, you'll start implementing your own methods to it as well, and you will just make a ton of money. It is extremely easy. You got to understand e-commerce is growing every year and everyone's shopping online. So to get a piece of that pie, you need to implement what you've learned and understand what works and what doesn't. And that's why these methods definitely work. And I'm only talking about from personal experience. These methods have worked for me. So this is why I'm sharing it with you guys, because if it works for me, it's going to work for you as long as you implement it correctly. And the other thing that I wanted to mention as well is that I do teach dropshipping. So if you're looking to learn dropshipping for the first time, or you are dropshipping currently and you're not making as much money as you'd like, well, I'd recommend joining something called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. It's a group of like-minded individuals who are looking to make money online, whether that's through YouTube, digital products, or even dropshipping. So if you do want to learn how to do dropshipping, and if you want some one-to-one help, then make sure to join the Ultimate Wealth Circle. The link will be in the description below. Also, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the video. I am going to make more videos like this. It was a different type of video that I made usually. I'm going to add some of the videos that I talked about in this video, so you'll probably see it on your screen right now. So yeah, watch any of the videos, and I'll see you guys for the next one.